For the first 100 buyers, we have a promotion na substantial discounts.
Yes,
that
actually.
we have. How many percent discounts?
15% discount for the first 100 clients, actually.
Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Your Top Realtor. So for today's vlog, we will going to feature a property located in the prime and heart of Angeles, no sir? So together with me is Sir
Noel.
So sir, hi ka sa Sir Noel. So we will going to tour you around with the 3 model units that we have dito sa project namin sa Mawing Residences, Santa Cruz. So when it comes sa location, sir, di ba, very strategic. So
Yes,
what are the nearby establishments or
Yes, such as Walter Porac, which is developing, and SNR Angeles.
Wow, so we have a lot of nearby commercial establishments that we have mentioned, hospitals, schools, malls. So madami. So lalo na if you're really familiar with Angeles, so ma-appreciate nyo yung location. That's why we have a very fast selling dito, di ba,
Yes,
sir?
actually.
Kasi for the first 100 buyers, we have a promotion na substantial discounts.
Yes,
that
actually.
we have. How many percent discounts?
15% discount for the first 100 clients, actually.
So ilan na tayo as of the moment? As of the moment recordings, October 2025, no? Nasa ilan na tayo?
15 slots left
15 slots
for
left.
the 15% discount.
Yes, so now we have mga ongoing promotion right now, no? But, of course, we're excited to tour you around sa mga model unit natin. So, number 1 on our list is Gregoria. So, mag-time papalito kasi medyo, sila. The other one is Gerardo. But, Gerardo, pwede rin yun, sir. But, yun nga, ito is the Gregoria. So, with this one, for the lot area, tara, how many lot area do we have here, sir?
So, each model is actually 96 square meters in terms of lot area, and then floor area is approximately 92 square
92 square meter. So, for the 3 models that we have, we do have all similar lot areas, no? But for the corner unit, unfortunately, we're already sold. Kasi wala pa man yung license sale namin. May mga letter of intent na nakabang with our clients. But it's not yet too late. So you could still position your property investment dito. So let's begin our tour. But again, hindi pa tapos yung model unit namin. But pwede namin pasilip sa inyo. Okay? So dito, sir, meron ng basic landscaping.
Yes, actually may basic landscaping na, and I don't know if na-mention na ni sir, furnished po yung mga houses. Yes.
Yes, by the way, almost
Fully
furnished kasi halos mattress na lang. Later on, we will going to give them an idea kung what are the inclusion. But this one, kung sedan lang, mga Wigo,
Possible, actually.
possible,
Parang kasha
up to 2
Pero for
carport.
now, it's 1 vehicle carport.
1 vehicle, para at least hindi naman sobrang sikip. But it's more spacious and meron na din siyang
Floating roof.
floating roof. May floating pala.
Yes.
Oh, sige. So, the door is located on the side.
On the side, yes.
But for the facade, if you could see, ayan yung facade natin, no? Ayan. Meron siyang static na may parang bricks type na...
Yes, modern na yung style niya. Modern yung approach, actually.
Yep. So, tara, pasilip lang natin na ongoing pa yung construction ng model unit namin. But, hopefully later, we could give you an update for the completed model unit natin na furnished na. Tara! So, for this layout, sir, what we have, you will be greeted with your living area. Now, again, for the inclusion, you have already the sofa. So, pagpa-pop up na lang kami ng sofa.
Yes.
Dito.
TV.
Yun, TV.
55-inch TV.
55-inches TV na, 5-inch TV na included na. And this one, kung napansin nyo, pwede ka natin pasilip lang. This gonna be your parang mirror to make your room or this dining room na a little spacious.
Yes.
Kasi pag sa mga mirror, it could give you an illusion, diba? And yan, naka-tiles na, may cove ceiling na din. So, lahat included na. And for this one, this will be your kitchen area. Yan. So, kasama na din yung mga built-in cabinet, sir.
As
Tama?
well, yes.
Yep.
Built-in cabinets, even furnitures then. such as yan, built-in oven, microwave oven, as well as refrigerator.
Oh, yeah, no. So, plus appliances pa, di ba? And for the ground floor, we also have our common toilet and bathroom. So, let's go. Dito yung sa common toilet and bathroom niya, right beside of your kitchen area. This will be your clean kitchen. Kasi, dito sa labas, you could have your dirty kitchen and your laundry. Tara. Dito, sir, yun nga, sa labas, no, yun nga, pwede kang magkaroon ng laundry. Pero, this one are already included.
Yes.
For the built-in cabinet, for your dirty kitchen.
Yes.
Yan. And meron din tayong, tawag dito?
Metal louvers for extra security and privacy.
Yes. Ayun. How about yung, sampayan?
Sampayan, hindi na siya kasali.
Hindi na siya kasali.
Just like Madonna.
Madonna, di ba? But, yun nga, metal louvers are already included. Ayun. So, ayun. Punta tayo sa second floor. Tara. Dito sa, sa second floor, dito meron siyang, may window yung, tawag dito niya, no? May window siya.
For natural light.
For natural light. So, you could also have your, chandelier,
lighting
ganyan.
pendants.
So, for our bedrooms, tatlo yung bedrooms natin sa taas. And one common toilet and bathroom. So, to sum up, again, for this property, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bathroom, and yun yung pinaka-summary natin. So, punta muna tayo sa master's bedroom. Okay. Sa master's bedroom, ito yan, even the built-in cabinets are already included, and for the master's bedroom, meron tayong bonus na split-type aircon.
As well as TV.
And TV din. Yep. And for your master's bedroom, you have an access going to your balcony. So, ito. Cute lang siya na balcony na kung gusto mo lang na mag-coffee dito, no? Tumambay ng konti. Kasi some of our clients, hindi naman sila normally nagtatambay with the balcony. Pero cute size lang yung balcony niya. No? So, master's bedroom, and then this will gonna be your second bedroom. So, sakto lang din siya, no? Especially for the startup family, no? Ayan. How about third bedroom, sir? Could you show them around?
So, here's our third bedroom. So, Sir Alan mentioned na may mga built-in cabinets na rin. And then, actually, meron na rin bed frame and headboard each bedrooms.
Oh.
So, ayan, hindi nyo na po problemahin. Mattress na lang. Yun na lang yung kulang.
Tsaka yung mga personal items, mga clothes nyo. So, almost fully furnished na siya. So, we're gonna pop mga mattress. So, yun. Again, this is Gregoria model unit, which has 96 square meter of lot area and more or less 92 square meter of floor area. So, let's move forward sa Gerardo. Let's go! So, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Gerardo or Gerardo? Almost similar, again, 96 square meter of lot area and more or less 92 square meter of floor area, more or less. So, similar lang sila na it could fit into almost to carport. Tapos, when it comes sa sa design, yung sa facade lang, and if you've noticed yung sa Gerardo is nasa gitna yung balcony niya. So, you could show them around with the balcony nasa gitna. And so, nasa gitna yung balcony niya. But for this one, it's a lot bigger of 1 square meter.
Yes, the 2 regular bedrooms are actually bigger by 1 square meter.
Okay. Sige. Yan. Similar layout, we could show you around as well. Tara. So, again, similar with the floor layout, no?
Yes,
almost similar. So, yan. Of course, again, yung sa living, dining, kitchen, and of course, similar. Okay? Let's go. Again, dito, medyo obvious lang yung sa built-in cabinet niya. Kasi yung sa Gregoria kanina, medyo nakatago. But for this one, naka-usli lang. But this one is a lot bigger ng 1 square meter lang. again, almost similar lang naman. Tapos, ito yung sa master's bedroom niya, as in gitna yung balcony niya. Ano lang, tamang space lang din yung balcony. Again, for the master's bedroom, we have a freebies of television and a split aircon. So, yun. And lastly, for the last model unit natin, no, kaso sold out na, pero we could still show you around if in the event may mag-reopen. Pero again, as of the moment, the Julieta model is sold out. Pero again, tingnan natin, silipin lang natin. So, let's go. So lastly, our bestseller model unit is the Julieta, but unfortunately, it's already sold out. So, but again, we could show you around pa din. Tara, let's go. So, among all the three models that we have, ito yung bestseller and different layout. So, ito yung magiging, again, living area mo, tapos dining area and your kitchen. Parang baliktad yung pagka-layout niya, no? Tapos, yun. But the difference for the Julieta, wala lang siyang window dito sa tawag dito, sir? Sa stairs portion niya. Tara. So, for the second floor, again, we have 3 rooms and 1 common toilet and bathroom, and 1 common toilet and bathroom sa ground floor. So, ito yung master's bedroom niya, and sa gilid yung balcony niya. Ayan. So, similar second and third bedroom. So, future homeowners, which among the 3 units na nagustuhan nyo, and comment down below if you have a preferred model unit, no? Yes. So again, I'm Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker. Feel free to message us with this number and we're more than happy to guide you. So see you around on our next vlog. So bye for now!